Today we're going to be making deodorant.
Yes.
Are you going to be my helper?
Yes, and it only is 4 things.
There's only 4 ingredients. It's really easy. I've been making this for about 4 years now, and my husband and I both use it. So you are going to need corn flour, baking soda, shea butter, and coconut oil. You can also use essential oils to get a scent. We're going to be using Joy by Young Living today. Also, you'll need a container to put your deodorant in. I like using these ones from IKEA because they're the perfect size. So you're going to need a glass bowl and a scale, and you're going to measure out 45 grams of coconut oil and 30 grams of shea butter. This looks like a bit more because I'm actually doubling the recipe. So we're going to break up the shea butter into smaller chunks to make it easier to melt. Can you help me, baby girl? The coconut oil is going to melt faster than the shea butter, so this just helps it not have to get so hot, because you don't want to overheat your shea butter or else it gets like a sandy texture and it's not as smooth. Got my bowl of coconut oil and shea butter sitting over a saucepan with just a little bit of water, and I'm going to put it on low heat and heat it up really slowly. Don't mind the clicking in the background. Our stove burner's broken, so it just keeps clicking and clicking. And what I love about making natural products is that you can eat it. You could eat this deodorant, and we just got shea butter all over our hands, and we just rubbed it on our arms, and it was like lotion. So
And I rubbed it on my hands. And on the counter. And on my
on the counter, on your clothes. Don't rub it on your clothes. It's gonna stain your clothes. But that's one of the really cool things about natural products, that you don't have to worry about keeping them away from the children.
Actually, I just have dress-ups on. And then clothes on.
You're a princess today. And we got ourselves a little helper. You looking at your sissy? You looking at the camera?
Look at the camera.
Say hi, Eden. Hello. So our water's just started to steam and the coconut oil is starting to melt. So I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, so I took it off the pan and this is what it looks like. And now we're going to measure out in another bowl on our scale 30 grams of cornstarch and 45 grams of baking soda. Hi. So I've got our corn flour and baking soda in this bowl. I'm going to put the liquid into this one because this one has a cool little spout and it's easier to pour. And you can really do this any order. You don't have to melt it this way. You don't have to wait to add this. You could just put it all together and melt it. This is just the way I do it so that I can get it like the smoothest, creamiest consistency, because it's a lot nicer to feel. Great, so we're gonna do this.
And then we're going to start. Can I start?
Or did I just make it up?
With the Spanish.
I'm gonna stir that a little bit.
This is hard. Okay. This.
You see I cleaned my kitchen here, but I didn't do behind me. Good job. Should we see what it looks like?
Like this.
Seriously though, my kitchen is a total disaster. That's okay. Because we need deodorant. I need 2 hands to do this. You get the idea. I'm just going to get all those last little pieces of shea butter mixed in, and it's going to be really silky smooth. There we go. Beautifully smooth.
And now we're going to put our oil in.
And now we're going to add our essential oil in there. All right, go.
So now we are going to pour it into our 2 jars. That's how we ever did it.
We got our jars ready. So I doubled the recipe. That's why we have 2 jars, but you only need 1. This is going to be a really nice creamy one.
And you don't use it straight when it's in the jars, and you let it like overnight or some.
Yeah, it needs to set. I usually put it in the fridge so it sets quickly and it will harden up. If it gets too hot though, it will go liquid again.
Yeah.
Also, you have to remember that this is a deodorant, not an antiperspirant, so if you're wearing any synthetic fibers, it might be stinky. Also, in case you're like me and you're thinking, how am I gonna put deodorant on if it's not in a stick? You get about a pea-sized amount on your finger and you actually use your hand. What do you think, Eden? Easy peasy.